Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I thought I'd make this video a quick update on what's going on with this channel. There's also another video coming out, I think, later today, but I thought I would just make this video because I am making a pretty big transition at the moment. I currently created a new channel, and what I want to do with this channel is really create content around tech, motivation, and productivity to help you guys out with like recommending technology products and overall just having a community where I can talk about tech with you guys and like share my opinions with you. I already made an entire video on this over on the other channel, so if you want to go check that out, you can. I'm going to be linking this channel in the description. So yeah, this channel's not going anywhere. But I made this alternative channel just to really hone in on like my passions for tech and stuff. And the other video explains everything, so I'm not going to sit here and repeat everything. But go check that channel out. It's called @ScottTyler. I really want to like simulate channels, or not simulate, replicate channels like Justin TSE, don't know how to say his name, MKBHD, Your Average Consumer. Really hone in on like reviewing tech, especially because I know a lot of the people on this channel aren't interested in that stuff. So I want to go build a different community for those people. So if you're interested, links below. And yeah, this channel's not going anywhere. However, I'm gonna slowly stop uploading on here, or at least until the other one starts growing a lot. So yeah, I will see you guys over on the other channel. Links below.